Hello, my name is Rohan Verdhiya. I am from Narsinghpur, Madhya Pradesh. I have completed 10th, 12th in MP board with good percentages. After that, I have completed BCA from Government Science College, Jabalpur. After that, I joined Vision Technosur. It is a consulting company, and there I joined full day job internship. Uh, they help me to give me that knowledge, Windows administrators or cybersecurity related router configurations. Mm, they give me practical knowledge about the company real world project, and they always support me, and their staff is also support me, and Evision is a very good consulting. If you want to get a job, then you join Vision, and uh, now I get a job in smart systems technology, mm, with 2.2 LPA. Here environment is very good, and here I manage Wi-Fi configurations, all printer issue, remote desktop or server issues, all handles. Uh, so thank you, Vision, for give me that opportunity. Uh, that's why I get a job because of you. Uh, Thank you.